Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.